Everyone, today we are going to see Infosys S.P or DSE role, on-campus placement pattern as well as questions. It is for 9.5 LPA. The instructions are: we have written this exam in online mode and have given this test from my home only, and this is purely coding round which consists of 3 coding questions in any of the language you are preferred with, and the time is for 3 hours. Okay, during the exam you should not switch between the tabs. If you switch between the tabs, you will be out of the exam. Okay, you are allowed to use an AI assistant to ask questions. See, when you have to on your camera while writing your exam, okay, and your microphone also. And if the camera found any of the disturbance with you or movement of your body away from the camera, then you will be kicked out of the exam. Then one AI agent chat box will be appeared, and it will ask you what the reason for your inconvenience during the exam. Then you are allowed to chat with the AI assistant. If he feel or she feel that your reason is good, then you are allowed back to write the exam. If not, you are terminated from the exam. Okay, that is the thing with AI assistant. Any malpractice will result in immediate disqualification from the exam. If the camera found that you are using your mobile phone or anything, then you will be disqualified from the exam. I have already mentioned that it is purely coding round which consists of 3 questions in any of the language you are preferred with, and it is for 3 hours. Okay, in this Infosys exam, each individual got different questions. Okay, your friend might get 3 different questions from you. Maybe there might be a chance of coincidence of 1 or 2 questions. Okay, but maximum we have faced different problems between me and my friends. Okay, let us see few of the questions so that you can experience the level at which level they are asking the questions. Okay, first question: find the maximum sum of triplets in an array such that I is less than j is less than k and a of I is less than a of j is less than a of k. Okay, to this problem you have 3 approaches. Okay, brute force method is order of n cube. Okay, you have to use inner for loops, so you will get time complexity in order of n cube. If you implement that code, your code will face the time, out of time error. That means it is exceeding its time limit. Okay, and there is another method also, order of n square. Okay, you should not use that also. This in this Infosys exam they are accepting that with the time complexity of order of n log n. Okay, prepare that method which consists of order time complexity in the order n log n. Okay, now going to the question, you are given an array of positive integers of size n. Find the maximum sum of triplet a of I plus a of j plus a of k such that it should follow these conditions. Okay, you are given input like this and your output should be 16. Okay, let us do manually so that you can have a clear idea how to write the code. Okay, now what are the conditions? The index of I should be less than j and should be less than k, and the element also should be in increasing order. Okay, now we are going to find the triplets in the order of n log n. Okay, now these are the possible triplets which follows this condition. Now you have to return the maximum sum. Okay, 16 is the maximum sum, so this is the output. Now let us see the logic and then code also. Okay, see, this is the question. I have written on paper so that I could explain to you. This is the this is the question, and logic for that question is, let us see. See, I have already informed you that time complexity should be order of n log n. What you have to do? Fix the index j in the array. You should not move index j. J index should be fixed. Okay, then what you have to do? Find the right max element between indexes j plus 1 index to n minus 1 elements. To find the right max element, your time complexity will be order of n. Okay, now to find the left max element, sort the elements from index 0 to j minus 1 using set data structure, and this time complexity is log n, order of log n. What you are doing? You are doing three steps. You have to fix j index in the array, then you have to find right max element from index j plus 1 to n minus 1, and then left max element also by sorting the elements from 0 to n minus 1 by using set data structure. Okay, see this example. J runs from index 1 to n minus 1. Use set data structure to sort the element at left of j to find the left max using the binary search, and write a function to find right max to generate the right max subarray. See, I will explain clearly so that you can understand. Let us take this as an example. Okay, what you have to do means, your first step is that you have to run the index j. You have to initialize for loop from index 1. Okay, for j is equals to 1 and j less than n minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, in that what you have to do? Okay, you have to get ready with right max subarray. How do you write the function to the right max subarray? Means you have to travel from back. Okay, for something p is equals to n minus 1. Okay, what you have to do means, you have to put the greater element. See, 1 is the greatest element, then 4 is greater than 1, so greatest element will be okay, see, 4 is greater than 1. Okay, then you are modifying the max element, right max element as 4. Okay, 1 is less than 4, so right max element is 4 itself. Again, 6 is greater than 4, so edit the right max element with 6. Okay, and then 3 and 6, which is greater 6, so 6 is greater, so right max element is 6 only. 6 and 5, 6 is the right max element. Okay, in that way you have to create a sub array for the right max sub array. Right max sub array is created like that. Now what you have to do means, your j is over here. Okay, and your I is over here. What you have to do for have said, fix the j and make the rightmost elements, apply for rightmost element the right max subarray, and left for left max element. How do you find left max element? Means sort this left max leftmost elements by using the set data structure. See, leftmost element is 2, push the 2 to the set. By sorting it, it will remain as 2 only. Apply binary search, 2 only answer. So 2 plus j value is 5 and right max element is 6. 2 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 13. So maximum element is 13. Okay. Step 2, j plus plus. Now j is over here. What I have said, fix j. So j is fixed. Okay, 6. J is fixed. Okay, 3. Okay, 3 is fixed. Now what I have already told you, find the right max subarray, right max element. What is right max element? 6. So we got 6 also. Now how do you find the left max element? First you have to put the sort them. How do you sort them? By using the set data structure. Already 2 is in the set. Now push the 5. Now it is 5. Now they are already in sorted order. Now apply binary search. Now you will get 2. Okay, 2. Now 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 11. Okay, but maximum element is 13. 13, compare 11 and 13. Which is maximum element? 13. So make it as itself. Okay, and then j plus plus. Okay, in that way you have to find the element. Okay, then you will get 16 as answer. Okay, let us see the code so that you can get a clear idea. This is the code for that question. Don't worry, I will push this code to the GitHub, and I will keep the link in comment section, GitHub link section, so that you can access this code, and it is implemented very well, and it returns answer also. Okay, and it is the order of n log n. So learn this code to answer the question. Okay, as I have already said the logic, only 3 steps. Fix the j using the for loop, and then find the right max element and then left max element. For finding the left max element, first you have to sort the leftmost elements and then apply the binary search, and then add all 3 elements and find and modify the maximum element. Okay, maximum triplet sum. Okay, for it is the function. Initialize the suffix array, max suffix array. Okay, last element 0. What I have told you, right max element, for to find the right max element you have to start from array last, from backwards, n minus 1 to I greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus. Maximum element is math dot max of this is the comparison, so that you will get the maximum element sub array. Then I have already told you, to find the left max element you have to use the data structure called set. Okay, initialize the set container. This is the correct way to initialize the set container. Insert minimum value for the first comparison in the set. Low value dot add. By why have to add a minimum value means it will compare greater than the value greater than, it will be modify the set element. So first initialize with minimum element. Okay, this is the actual logic. See what I have already told you. Run the loop, and then compare. Max sub element is greater than array of 5, then left is equals to low dot, then you have to edit that. Okay, that is the thing. And for that answer, for that question, this is the answer, this is the output. Okay, I will, don't worry, I will push this code to the GitHub, and I will provide the link also. Okay, then you can access it. Okay, I hope you got a clear idea on this first question. If you I hope you got this clear idea on this first question. Don't forget to do answer this question in order of n log n only. Okay, this is the first question, and in my next videos I will discuss about the question 2 also. This is the question 2. For you I have written in a paper, because uh, the screen is not visible. This is the question 2 and the examples, and this is question 3. In my next videos I will provide the solutions, as well as I will explain the question also in my next videos. Okay, thank you very much. If you feel this as informative, please hit a like and subscribe and share this one to your friends. Okay, instructions are much more important, and it is for 9.5 LPA, and you can write this exam at your home also, no problem. Okay, thank you.